Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add voice to your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're a teacher preparing lessons, a business professional creating reports, or just someone who wants to make slides more engaging, adding audio can take your presentation to the next level. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, open the PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add your voice. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section gives you access to all kinds of tools to enhance your slides, including audio. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, you'll see the small audio icon. This is where the magic happens. When you click the audio option, you'll get two choices. You can either add audio from an existing file on your computer, or you can record your own voice directly inside PowerPoint. If you already have a pre-recorded file, maybe a narration or a piece of music, choose Audio on my PC and simply upload it. Navigate to your file, select it, and click OK. Just like that, the audio is added to your slide. If you'd prefer to record your own narration, click on Record Audio. A small box will appear where you can type in a name for your recording so it's easier to keep track of later. Then, press the red record button and begin speaking. When you're finished, hit the stop button. You can listen to your recording by pressing play. If it doesn't sound right, don't worry. You can always re-record until you're happy with it. Once you've added or recorded your audio, you'll notice a small speaker icon on your slide. You can drag and position this icon anywhere you like. Clicking on it gives you access to more settings under the Playback tab. Here, you can trim your audio, add fade-in or fade-out effects, adjust the volume, and even decide how the audio will play. You can choose to have it start automatically, play on click, or only when you click the audio icon. And here's a pro tip. If you want your audio to continue across multiple slides, use the play in background option. This way, your narration or music flows seamlessly while you advance through your presentation, making it feel more polished and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added voice to your PowerPoint presentation. It's a simple step, but it makes a huge difference in how engaging and interactive your slides can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy and practical tech tutorials.